Hi friends, today we are going to see about computer networks and data communication. In that we are going to see about networking. Networking means a computer network, that is the process of connecting two or more than two computers with the purpose to share data, provide technical support and to communicate. That is the main purpose of networking. Networking mainly deals with point to point communication that is not usually practical. So the devices are too far apart and there can be large set of device would need impractical number of connections. So to solve these problems we go for network. So the main solution for these problems are networks because it is a process of connecting two or more than computers with the purpose to share data, provide technical support and to communicate. So internet is the technology that is used to connect different computer systems. Networking technology has revolutionized the world and created a new arena of the overall development of every nation. There are many facilities and advantages of networking. To share few, first one is facility of technical support. Because of having computer networking, a person sitting in the USA provides technical support to a person sitting in remote part of India. And second one is easy sharing of data. With the help of networking, it is very simple to share all format of digital data from one system to another. Next one is easy sharing of hardware resources. With the help of networking, it has now become a very simple to share the expensive resources including storage space, processor, etc. Sharing of software. Through the networking system, it is easy to share and install software from one computer system to another. Easy to communicate. With the help of networking, the communication system has now become highly efficient and fast. The different modes of communication are text chatting, video chatting, emails, etc. Now we are going to see about the types of networks. There are basically three main types of network, that is local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network. Now we are going to see about the wide area network. Wide area network, or simply called as a WAN, is a system or network that covers large geographical area across the world. The service of WAN provided by public government agencies as well as private agencies. The network also provides the facility to access database located remotely. This WAN system is highly beneficial for MNCs and other big corporate companies. The it mainly rely in part of common carrier circuits. The alternative technologies are circuit switching, packet switching, frame relay, asynchronous transfer mode, shortly called as ATM. Circuit switching, the dedicated communications path established for the duration of conversation. Example, telephone network. Packet switching, this data sent over sequence over the network in a sequence. This is small packet of data at a times, and these packet passed from node to node between source and destination. It is used for terminal to computer and computer to computer from communication purpose. Frame relay, packet switching systems have large overheads to compensate for errors. Modern systems are more reliable and the errors can be caught in the end system. Most overhead for error control is striped out. Asynchronous data transfer, it is shortly called as ATM. It is the evolution of frame relay. It has little overhead for error control and consists of fixed packet that is called cell length. Anything from 10 MBs to 1 GPS can be transferred. The constant data rate using packet switching technique. Next one we see about the LAN, that is stands for local area network. It is a technique of interconnecting a few computers located in a given premise. It is normally used for single business office or residential apartment. The major purpose of such interconnectivity is to establish a communication system in order to make the work very easier and simpler. However, in such connectivity, some other devices can also be attached such as laser, printer, fax machine. It is mainly connected within a building or a small campus and owned by same organization as attached devices. The data rates are much higher and usually broadcasted this uses broadcast systems. Now some switched systems and ATMs are also introduced. Protocols. This protocol is used for communication between entities in a system. Must speak the same language. For example, the entities, user application, email facilities, and terminals. There are systems. Systems can be either computer terminals, computers, or remote sensors. Likewise, key elements of protocols. The syntax for protocol is data format and signal levels. The semantics are control information and error handling. The timing is speed matching and sequencing. We can assess it with the help of questionnaires, that is what is networking, explain about LAN, WAN, likewise.